everybody, and welcome to my channel. Chances are you ended up here because you are like me, looking to take advantage of the recent pandemic and its impact on the stock market. While I can't predict the future to know whether the market will keep dropping or completely turn around tomorrow, I picked out a few stocks that I have invested in or will be investing into in the near future. First off, we have Dunkin', and if you haven't heard of them, they're like a cheaper version of Starbucks, and they're also about like a tenth of the size. I've been investing in them for a while, even before this crash happened, buying them around $70, $80 a share, and this crash hit them hard and brought them down to about 40. While this was happening, I kept buying more and adding to my positions, buying a few shares at a time, still continuing to do that and will continue after this crash, but I believe they're a stock that should be held on to for a long time, and they also have a pretty good dividend rate at around 2%. And they haven't announced that they are going to cut that yet, so I think they should be able to hold that throughout this crash. Next is Disney, which has been a solid stock for years, and most recently had a nice little jump from their launch of Disney Plus, bringing their stock from around $100 to that 140, 145 at its peak. With the coronavirus hit, it took the stock down to $85, and it currently sits around 100 the time that I'm filming this. It has solid growth over the years, and I believe that this is a stock that you should get now while it's cheap and hold on to, because even though the parks are taking a huge hit in attendance, they are racking up these subscriptions with Disney Plus while everybody is home and quarantined. So even though I'm not a dividend investor, they do have a decent dividend yield worth mentioning, just under 2%, 1.83 at the time of this video. So it doesn't hurt. Lastly, we have a riskier stock that I decided to include in this video for the people who have some extra money and they're willing to take on more of a risk for potentially more of a gain. Aurora Cannabis stock has been taking an absolute beating lately and has dropped to under $1. It's about 91 cents as I film this video. I know that would probably turn off a lot of people, but if you look at Robinhood, they are the most popular stock that is followed and traded on the app. I've been holding this since the legalization in the United States has been picking up, figuring that it would go along with it, which it did for a little bit, but then this coronavirus-related crash really brought it down a lot. With this, I've been buying more and adding to my position and seeing, hopefully, just not buying much, but just a little bit to see if it does grow, I'll make some money off of it. And it has been crazy volatile lately with 20, 30% swings every day. I've been trying to day trade it too, but it's definitely an interesting stock to take a look at.